Losing hair? Try this new invention for just 10 minutes per day. Every human grows up with around 120,000 hair follicles on their head. These hair follicles are connected to the blood supply in our scalp. But when the blood supply is reduced, the hair follicle gets thinner and eventually falls out. This happens as we age. But in 2016, an engineer from the University of Birmingham and a chemist from the University of Bristol in the UK, came together and discovered an award-winning way to increase the blood supply in the scalp. A strange, 10-minute ritual that can help promote the God-given hair on your head. This strange ritual doesn't require rubbing liquid into the scalp, hair transplant surgery, pills, or painful injections, and can work no matter if someone's been worried about hair loss for 2 months, 2 years or 2 decades. It's so effective, it was recently featured by multiple major news outlets. Now you can use the blue button below to discover this strange ritual in the first 3 minutes of a powerful presentation made specially for folks who are worried about losing hair. This strange 10-minute ritual has sent the greedy CEOs in the hair loss industry scrambling to protect their obscene profits. So I urge you to stop everything you're doing, and watch a short, free special video that, in the first 3 minutes, explains how this unusual ritual is helping men and women get thicker, stronger hair. Now everyday folks can stop worrying about slow-growing thin and lifeless hair. Use the blue button below and watch now before it's too late.